Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, where I like to talk all things home. So today I am participating in a collab, a challenge that Corinna from Life's Little Things issued back in August, and it's a Let's Get Organized Fall 2018. And the idea is simple. You just find somewhere in your home to organize and share it with everybody. So I have a number of spots in my home that I could choose from, believe it or not. There's always something in my home where I want to organize, reorganize, redo. So it was the hardest part of this challenge was to figure out what I wanted to organize, where I wanted to organize. And I had it narrowed down to the basement, but that's just too big a job for this. Plus it's embarrassing if you saw my basement right now. 2 kids who have moved out a number of times, apartments, need I say more. My son's room, he has moved out 2 years ago. It's still a disaster. I kept things there thinking that he would come back and choose things. He hasn't, so that's another room. Then there's the upstairs main bathroom that the kids used when they were home. And underneath the counter, I have kept things in there that they used to use when they lived here, or when they moved back in between places, they brought stuff and I kept it there in case they needed it for their new place. They never needed it again. So that's what I've chosen to tackle for this video, is my main bathroom underneath the cabinet. And it's not a pretty sight. If you're new, welcome. Take a browse around my channel, check out some other videos, see if there's anything else you like, and maybe even think about subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join me each week as I share videos on all things home related. So now, thanks Corinna for the push to get me to organize this space. I'll leave the link to her channel below because there will be a playlist, and go check out everybody else's videos. I'm sure there's going to be some really great ideas for organizing. So let's get to it. I'm going to do my main bathroom under the cabinet. There you go. You can see there's stuff everywhere. This is only the middle part. Over here, that's more of the same. Just stuff everywhere. So first things I'm going to do, I'm going to take everything out, and then I'm going to assess everything and pitch out what I know has been in here for a long time. Of course, here's Gus waiting for the shower to go on. Hey pup, you want the shower? We're not turning on the shower. Yeah, he'll sit there while I do this until I turn it on. Before I get started, I thought I would show you what I'm going to use to clean the cabinets. Of course, I have garbage bags for the garbage, my Lysol wipes, and my favorite sun-kissed linen scent. And I'm so excited I finally found e-cloths. I'm so excited.
Beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke.
So here we are. Here's all the stuff out of the cabinets, and I already know that a good portion of this is going to get thrown out. And I'm happy I got to this because that's a lot of stuff in there. He's still waiting. He's been sitting here the whole time, growling for me to turn this on.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so
there are containers here with nothing in them. They're empty, and bottles of shampoo and conditioner that have only been half used. I'd love to know in the comments below if anybody else has this problem in their household, where you just keep buying shampoo and conditioner before the old one is finished.
We had a stockpile of stuff. It was crazy. But here is what's left. I am really, really happy I was able to purge right down and get rid of a lot of stuff. He's still waiting, and I finally felt so sorry for him. I thought I better turn it on for him. I don't know what it is about it, but he just loves it.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my
Now I'm just going to give the cupboards and the doors and all the knobs a quick wipe down with the Lysol wipes and my e-cloths and just get everything nice and fresh and clean.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new.
At this point I realized I had a bigger basket that I'd forgotten to use, so I decided to reorganize things. But does anybody else do this too? Of course, nothing ever goes right the first time. I am constantly organizing and reorganizing and replacing. Does anybody else do that? The same thing?
Okay, I'm finished with the organizing and cleaning underneath the cabinet, and I'm really happy with it. It looks really, really good, and I'm so glad I did this. So let me show you what I've done and what I did to organize it. So in the first door, all I've done is I got a big basket from the dollar store and I filled it with extra toilet paper, and the feminine products I put at the back just in case anybody needs any when they come to visit. But this is here, so it's right beside the toilet, so it's easily accessible. In the middle, you saw me add 2 hooks to each door. That's if people want to hang a face cloth or anything on it. I think that'll come in handy. But this space is all empty except for I kept a couple of cleaning supplies way at the back. Some Lysol wipes and some Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. I try to keep some cleaning stuff in each bathroom. That way if a guest wants to clean up anything, they don't have to be embarrassed to ask. It's all right there. So that's in there. And then this space is all empty, and I kept it empty on purpose for guests if they want to put anything underneath here. They want to store any toiletries of their own, they can keep it in the bathroom instead of having to lug it back in and out of the bedroom, which is actually right next door, but it's still nice to have all your stuff here and put away. So this space is all empty, so they have that for their personal use. And in the final cabinet part, I put the shelf back in and I just used some plastic bins from the dollar store, and I put some soap. I noticed I didn't have any soap in here. I put some soap, I put some extra toothpaste, some extra sunblock and aloe, and the unopened mouthwashes in here in case anybody needs it. So that's all in there and tucked underneath. The extra Q-tips and extra puffs are under there. And in this basket I just put all the hair products that I'm keeping, and of course my son's contact lens solution is all in there, and some other hair products, and I just picked up travel size shaving foam if anybody needs it. There's some extra razors in there, and that's what's in there. That's it. And on top of the counter, I just added this pretty container. Again, it's from the dollar store, and I put some cotton pads in there. I'm always looking for cotton pads, so I think somebody might be too, so I put it there with a little container with some Q-tips in it and just a little glass if anybody needs it. Plus, of course, some hand soap if anybody, just to have beside the sink. It's always nice to have some hand soap. Well, I'm all done. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some tips on how to organize under your bathroom sink. I'm so happy I did this. This has been on my to-do list forever. There's stuff in there that the kids have left behind for years, so I'm glad I got it cleaned out and wiped down, and now it's all set. If they want to come for a visit, or anybody else who might come by, I think the bathroom looks really good for them now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll think about giving it a thumbs up and maybe even think about subscribing before you exit on out. I'd love to have you join me each week as I share more videos on household things. And thank you, Corinna, for hosting this collab, this Let's Get Organized Fall 2018 collab, and I'll leave the link to her channel and the playlist so you can go catch some other people and see how other people organize things. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys. Still waiting. Poor dog, still waiting.